A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, Brazil's Supreme Court has mandated that former President Jair Bolsonaro wear an electronic ankle monitor as he faces serious charges related to an alleged coup plot. This unprecedented move comes amid accusations that Bolsonaro sought to overturn the results of the 2022 election, where he was defeated by current President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. The court's decision has intensified the scrutiny surrounding Bolsonaro, who is now considered a flight risk by federal authorities. The case has garnered significant attention, especially after former U.S. President Donald Trump weighed in, labeling the judicial proceedings against Bolsonaro a witch hunt and linking it to potential tariffs on Brazilian imports. The Supreme Court's ruling not only restricts Bolsonaro's movement, but also imposes a series of other limitations, including a ban on social media use, following claims that he incited foreign interference in his trial. In a statement, Bolsonaro expressed his outrage, calling the restrictions a supreme humiliation and denying any wrongdoing. He insists that he is being politically persecuted, echoing sentiments similar to those voiced by Trump during his own legal battles. The prosecution's case against Bolsonaro is substantial, accusing him of leading an armed criminal organization and attempting to incite violence to maintain his grip on power. Investigators allege that Bolsonaro conspired with his son, Eduardo, to undermine Brazil's democratic institutions and plotted violent actions against Lula and a Supreme Court justice. The prosecution further contends that the January 8th riot, where Bolsonaro supporters stormed government buildings, was part of a broader strategy to instigate military intervention against the newly installed president. Prosecutor General Paulo Gonet has emphasized that Bolsonaro's actions were not merely reactive but indicative of a deliberate effort to foster an environment ripe for violence and insurrection. As the trial progresses, Bolsonaro's defense team is preparing to present their case, which is expected to unfold in the coming weeks. The Supreme Court justices, who are tasked with determining Bolsonaro's fate, will ultimately vote on whether to convict or acquit him. Legal experts suggest that a verdict could be reached by the end of the year, with a guilty verdict on the coup plot charge potentially resulting in a lengthy prison sentence. The implications of this trial are profound, not only for Bolsonaro but for Brazil's political landscape as a whole. The former president has already been banned from running for office until 2030 due to previous allegations of abuse of power and casting doubt on the integrity of Brazil's electronic voting system. As the world watches, the outcome of this trial may set a significant precedent for accountability in Brazilian politics and the resilience of its democratic institutions. With the stakes higher than ever, the question remains, will Bolsonaro face justice for his alleged actions, or will he continue to evade the consequences of his conduct? That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.